Today we're going to talk about a question that many people ask about Telegram. This question is whether you can create a Telegram account without having a phone number. And the answer to this question is simply no. You cannot create a Telegram account without having a cell phone number. If you go to Telegram and open the app, as you can see, if you go here on the menu and then tap on this right here, it gives you the option to add a new account. If you click there, the only thing and the first thing that it will ask you is to select your country and to type your cell phone number. So there's no way that you can create a Telegram account without having a phone number. But what you can do is to go to your Play Store app, and once your Play Store app is opened, tap here to search for a virtual number. And as you can see, a bunch of apps will appear. You will have to select the app you want and install it and follow the instructions to create a new virtual phone number. It is possible that you might have to pay to keep your phone number active. And this way, you can use this virtual phone number to create your Telegram account. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you on the next one.